So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is going to be the 28th challenge in 30 days of React JavaScript. So here you can see we have another problem statement, which is create a React.js component in which parent state can be updated with the help of child components. So we have to implement a functionality by which we can update the state of parent component using the child components. So if you are new to my channel, make sure that you like and subscribe my channel so that you don't miss the awesome videos. So let's get started. So first of all, we will create a React arrow functional component export. Then we will import one use state from React, and now we will create one use state. We will write parent state. Final will be set parent state, and I will pass a string value initial parent state. Now in the div I will write one h1, and I will write parent component. Now we will write one paragraph. We will write parent state, and we will pass this parent state. So we will create one component which is child component. So we will make one new file, child component .jsx. We will write React arrow functional component export, and here we will pass this child component, and we will pass one prop which is on update parent state, and we will call one function which will be a callback function. So we will write update parent state. Now here we will define this function const update parent state. It will accept one callback which is a new state, and we will write const modified state is equals to modified new state. After that we will update the set parent state to modified state. Now we will go to our child component, and here we will accept this prop. We will destructure this on update parent state, and inside JSX we will write h2 child component. We will write one paragraph. We will write child state, and here we will make one another state with the help of use state. So we have to import use state from React, and same we will write the child state. So child state and set child state. We will pass one string value just like we have passed in the parent component. So initial child state, and now here we will pass this child state. After that we will create one button, and we will write update parent state. We will pass one on click function, update child state. We will copy this function, arrow function of JavaScript. Now we will write const new child state equals to updated child state. After that we will update the final state, set child state to new child state, and we will call this on update parent state. After that, when the child state get updated, we will call this to update the new child state. So now if I save the file and navigate to my server, localhost 5173/challenge28. So you will see when I will click on this update parent state, which is in the child component, and as soon as I click on that, you will see the parent state will get updated. So that is something you can update the state from child component to parent component. So that is something we have passed one prop which is on update parent state, and on the fire of on click in the child component, we are updating the state which is to be visible in the parent component also. So we have implemented our challenge. So if you have any doubt regarding this, so let me know in the comment section. And if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Until then, thank you for watching.